It's time to order your October Cuties supplies. Hey everyone, Cristin Sam here, and it's present day. So I got back from vacation and I have a present from my girlfriend's quilt shop. So if you haven't already, it's time to order your October Cuties supplies. So let me just get this open here. I haven't even seen. Oh boy. Oh, how cute. All right, so Cuties supplies. So the fabric kit is from our sponsor, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and it comes with the front binding, backing, embellishments, everything that we need. It looks like there is some mylar for October. That will be fun. Look at how cute these fabrics are. So orange and purple and black, very Halloweenish colors. I haven't even looked to see what the October one is, and oh boy, that is so cute. No tricks, only treats. So that's what we'll be working on. We'll do it probably the last week in September, take a break from our current project Falling for Autumn, and we'll work on this Cuties for 1 full week, take a break from our other projects to work on this. It's on page 15 of our booklet. If you haven't already joined in on the Cuties, we're doing this every month. We're doing all of them. So you'll need the CD. If you haven't already done that, all the information is under this video with direct links for our affiliate with My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop to be able to get the CD, the fabric kit. They may even have a thread kit. Sometimes they have a thread kit for these. I will go ahead and look through all of these and match them up with the fabrics that I have, and I'll add that information in case you want to use fabrics for or threads from your stash. So if you did September with me, I have to say, oh my gosh, that September Cuties, that's my favorite. I thought the sunflower one was going to be my favorite because that is so pretty, the August one, but September was so darn cute with those apples, and it was fun doing the collage apples. I've never done that before. That was really, really fun. So if you haven't joined in on the Cuties projects, join in the fun. In fact, I'll add a link here. This is our affiliate link with My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. Once you go to that link, you just type in Cuties, and then you can find the October fabric kit. If you haven't done the other ones, you can find the other ones there as well. But we're going to do this probably the last week in September, and like I said, we'll take the whole week off. Hey, want a coupon code? I almost forgot to give you that. So coupon code to get your discount, I think it's 10% off, is Cristin Cutie Oct. So Cristin Cutie Oct, like October, OCT, CRISTINCUTIEOCT. That's our discount code. And like I said, you've got a link to the our affiliate link for My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop to be able to place your order, and you have plenty of time because we're going to start the last week in September. I'd love for you to join me with this. These are fun. I love them. I don't actually use it as a table topper. I've been hanging them up in my craft room because I think that they're just so darn cute. I really like them. So anyway, join me for that, and let's get started ordering our supplies for the October Cuties. Hey everyone, now that we are in the July through December book of our Cuties table toppers, I just want to show you quickly all the information that is underneath the video, since our other one is from last December. So open up any web browser and go to Cristin Creates on YouTube. From there, you can see all the videos, and I also want to point out, here's the playlist tab, and the playlist tab makes it so that you can see all of the certain projects that we have worked on. All right, any project that you're looking for a tutorial on, look in here for the specific project, including the Embrilliance Essentials tutorials. If you click on View Full Playlist down here at the bottom, a lot of people that are new to Embrilliance, we have a ton, like what is it, 114 videos. So if you scroll down to the very bottom, you can see the newer videos when we were just learning ourselves. And it also has information on how to do the wording and to move things around and how to import your files to Embrilliance for the fonts and such. So all of that information. So back to the Cristin Creates page. So right here, you can open up any video. So let's look for one that is from our cuties. So here's our last cuties when we did the ending of the June. So if you just click on one of the cuties videos, and like I said, you can also do it from the playlist. Either way will work fine. But from here, underneath the video, so it's running an ad right here, and it will look a little different because I'm the owner of it. You won't have all of this information, but underneath the video, it's going to, let's see, right here. Oh, it's still running. This is a long ad, my goodness. So underneath the video, you can see that it says, click here to see links below the video. And then it starts to say, join the fun in our group project. And there's the video right here. I'm on a computer. So when I say under the video, I just mean under the video, right under here on a computer. On a phone, it's there's like an arrow on the right, I believe, and you click that and it has all the video description. So it's called a video description under the video. And so right here, see, it starts to tell you about the stuff that's under the video, and then it says show more. So click show more and look at all the information that I have included under every video for you. All right, it has all of the links. It has the information about upcoming projects. It has our current affiliate link for our sponsor for our Cuties project. It has our coupon code and where to get the quilting bundle. All of that information. And then other supplies that people ask me about of like the packets to organize your fabrics. All of that information is right below there. It's also got our affiliate link for Embrilliance Essentials. I am an affiliate with Embrilliance Essentials, and I'm teaching a lot of Embrilliance on most every video. And then next up, we have what's coming up next, which is our Falling for Autumn. And the glide thread colors are always listed. All the information. I also include information about my shirts. I'm not wearing an embroidered shirt at the moment, but when I do, I include that information because I get a lot of questions about that. So all this information is under the video. So whenever I say under the video, it's literally just click that show more button and you'll see underneath the video all the information. All right, and then if you are in the market for Embrilliance Essentials, I'm going to be showing that a lot. So here's the Embrilliance Essentials link right here. Click on that blue link. It brings you to Embrilliance Essentials, and what it brings you to Embrilliance. And the program that I use is Essentials, the basic one. So right here, Product Essentials, or you can get it from the store. Either one of these goes to the same. It will take you to Embrilliance Essentials. You add it to your cart. There's no other information that you need to do. You just need to click on my link that is underneath the video, or add it in yourself. Either way, it's embrilliance.com/jam-affiliates/Cristin Creates. And that will put a little cookie on your computer saying that you are supporting Cristin Creates with your purchase. And you can get any of the items here. If you're into digitizing, you can do Stitch Artist. The Enthusiast program is the next one after Essentials that has a little bit more abilities, and that Thumbnailer. A lot of people love Thumbnailer. I haven't tried that yet, but that's here as well. So lots of things there underneath the video, all of those links. And when you go to our link for My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop right here, this blue hyperlink, you click on that and it brings you to their website. And same thing, it puts a little cookie on your computer. It doesn't actually take you to the product. So you would just go to the search bar and type in Cuties or Cuties 2 or whatever you're looking for our project, and see right there is our July kit that we're going to be starting soon. So this video just shows you how to find those links that are underneath every video. I hope this helps.